Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Taus Hassan. In this video, we will make a math game. Let's start up to this video. In today's video, we will use two modules. One is math module and one is random module. Let's import them. Import. Sorry, we'll use time module, not math module. Time and import. Random. In this game, user will do three types of calculation. Let's write the operators. Multiplication, then plus, then minus. Okay, and max number will be 12 and minimum number will be 3 and total options will be 10. Then now we'll make here a function. Generate equal to random dot random mean comma maximum and we'll do the next. Here we'll do the same thing, just the name will be different. We'll just write a right. Operator to random dot choice operators, and for the calculation I will use here the bracket. For the calculation we'll use here exp variable. We'll convert into string format. Left plus operator plus space plus again we will convert into string format. Right. Okay. Answer will be exp, and this function will return exp and answer. and here we'll make another variable named wrong. It's equal to 0, and we'll take user input. Press enter to start. st equal stt equal to time dot time we'll use a for loop. Total options. xp comma, and we will write a answer equals to generate. While true, to show the chances we are writing this. Then exp plus equal now we'll write a if condition. And here write stop is SOT call time dot time TT call means total time equal. Here we use STT minus SOT. Pure anti-print. We will use here if string. Let's run our software. Enter 6 into 11 66. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. 9 into 8 equals 72. 11 plus 4 equal to 17. 1 plus 8 equal to 19. 11 minus 4 equal to 7. 8 3 is 24. 11 plus equal to 19. 10 into 12 120. 9 plus 6 equal to 17. 6 into 6 means 6 square equal to 36. And I have taken this second. Sorry, here will be there is a minus, so we need to write SOT minus STT. Let's check it again. Enter 16 22 80 12 plus 7 12 70 80 90. 3 minus 6 minus 3. 8 plus 6 14. 7 plus 11 equal to 18. 10 plus 11 21. 3 plus 8 19 11. 7 into 7 49. And I have taken 38 seconds. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.